the one thing I've always been really adamant about when I started farming was not to fall into that trap of being a hobby farm, that treating it like a business and that all aspects of the farm has to pay for itself, so meat, chickens, beef, and layers. But even with my thinking about that being so ruthless and being stringent, it's amazing how easily you can fall into that trap. You know, there was a guy trying to get rid of 5 sheep in the valley because he kept losing them to wild dogs. So I took those sheep on thinking it'd be a good synergistic exercise with the chooks, but it just became another management issue that I had to deal with. And you know, and without me even knowing it, I became a little hobby farm by taking on that enterprise, because it was for our personal consumption, but it wasn't in line with our business plan. And I just realized that I was a hypocrite. You know, I said that I was never going to do that, and I was always going to just keep it like a business. And then just out of nowhere, I took on these sheep that were, you know, for a favor, and that's how it happens. It's so easy. So there's a good lesson for me, a good learning curve, that it's easy to say one thing, but yeah, it's another thing to follow through and not become a hobby farm.